Hey, I'm Walking Dictionary. Today we are going Matheran. It's a trip. I have taken all my students, and they all were so cheerful, and there was a joyance, and so we went by the bus. I did everything for my students. I was standing because there was no seat. No, there was a seat, but I did not. I chose to stand. And this is me, of course, Walking Dictionary. I was trying to take a photo by taking in this way, but I was not able to do it. But I did this finally. And you know what happened next? We saw the greenery. I must say I'm a hodophile, I'm a dendrophile, I'm a thalassophile. होडोफाइल का मतलब होता है जिसको घूमने का बहुत शौक हो. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन इज आई एम, दैट इज़ मी. सो दिस इज़ जोहेब जो नहीं आना चाह रहा था वीडियो में. एंड फैज़ ऑलवेज लॉस इन हिज ओन थॉट. एंड लुक एट मीट अरफात वॉज हाइडिंग हिज फेस. एंड वी स्टॉप, इट वॉज अ पी ब्रेक. So we stop on a pee break. After a pee break, we were trying to follow some trend, like a jumping on a bandwagon. We did not succeed in doing it, but my boys were doing it. Look at this Nafis and Faz. They failed to do what they wanted to do. We resume our journey with hope, with determination, with passion, with verve, and with vigor. We were having a blast. Finally, we reached the Matheran. I must say that when I went Matheran, I was feeling a very chilly. The atmosphere, the weather was so chilly and so cold. I cannot describe. It is indescribable. It is just incomprehensible for me. And how happy I was. And after this, Arfat cracked some joke, which I wanted to laugh on, but I don't know how to laugh. See how he's cracking his joke. And the joke was something, but I forgot what was the joke about. We did not take the train. We chose to go by foot because it keeps her healthy. So there was a lot of journey we went. And look at the view. You know, यहाँ पे व्यू के लिए आप एक वर्ड इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, दैट इज़ विस्ता. जब कोई सीन बहुत अच्छा हो तो आप उसे कह सकते हैं विस्ता. तो ये सीन था विस्ता. एंड लुक एट द मंकीज़. एंड यू ऑल नो मिस हाउ द मंकीज़ आर मिसचीवस होता है, मिसचीवियस नहीं होता. एंड लुक एट दिस जोहेब एंड नफीज़ एंड शहबाज. And these people, what are they doing? They're shooing the monkey away, because whatever we're trying to eat, it was taken and snatched by the monkeys, so we were not able to have it. So this happened. This is a sunset point where we are having chillaxing time. We were chillaxing with our frenemies, with our pal, we were having a good time together, I must say. I love my all students. Look at Ramiz and Zian, Ramiz. And I did this trend. I always wanted to do that trend. I was coveted. My student forced me, so I did this trend. And we had a blast, I must say that.